providing nutritious and good tasting meal to your kids and family can be challenging. So today I want to talk to you about tailoring your menu around store specials. Being frugal and practical is a good thing. Bottom line here is that I watch our budget when it comes to food, and I love to put the good food on the table. I'm a big foodie and I love good bite. So with that said, I often shop for store specials. So today I found turkey on special, and it was only $1.99 per package of a ground turkey. And a neighbor of mine brought me a beautiful fresh organic mushrooms. So between these two, I thought, okay, let's make a good meatloaf. This recipe is good for 2 meatloaves, starting with 18 ounces of fresh, thinly sliced mushrooms and 3 packages of ground turkey. Now let's cook 1 medium onion in a 1/3 cup of olive oil. Let the onions turn golden brown before adding mushrooms. We will let onions and mushrooms simmer, and I'm moving on to making a little mixture with the bread. In this case, you should use the breadcrumbs if you have it, but what I'm doing is I'm using the ends of this bread that I got on special. So I have about 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Again, this will be much better if this was toasted, but in any case, it will work. So I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of milk to this and 3 eggs. So we're going to just mix this and set it aside. Mushrooms are looking great, and I want to make sure I don't overcook them. So they're ready, and I'm now going to combine them with the ground turkey. Let's add spices. We're starting with a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of Hungarian paprika. Next is a 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. A little bit of black pepper for your taste. A 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And now we're going to add our egg, bread, and milk mixture. Top it off with some fresh parsley and a 1/2 cup of ketchup, and we are ready. I'm going to cook one today, and the other one is going to freezer. So when done, top it off with some ketchup and barbecue sauce and bake them for about an hour on 350. Great thing about this recipe is that it's very light in its flavor, it's very moist, and it's delicious. In today's era where both parents have to work in order to provide for family, I think it's crucial to have the budget and to watch your spending. By your good example, your kids will learn a very important life skill that will serve them throughout their life. The simplest way I can explain this is that you have to invest time out of your life to acquire money, time and energy. So once you acquire money, you really have to think of it as an asset in life, meaning that you have to be aware of the exchange that took place. I have to give up my time and my energy to earn this dollar. So do I want to waste this dollar, or do I want to invest it to better my life? So this is something that I wish we can teach our younger generations, to make this connection with money, with spending, saving, investing, donating, and so on. Luckily, there are many ways that we can save money, and shopping for the store specials is just one of the ways that I save money to my family. I guess what I wanted to share with you today is take good care of your family and think about your finances and your money, and involve your kids in a process of saving money and learning how to manage it. And if you happen to have a little extra, think about how you could use your money to better your neighborhoods, or to donate to a particular organization, or maybe start initiative yourself. It's very important that in our lifetime, as we grow wealth, we also learn to use that wealth to better lives, not just of our family and ourselves, but to better lives of people around us. So saving is fun, and being frugal, it feels good, because on the end of the day, or on the end of the year, I'm able to use that money to do something good in my community. So there you go. There's your perfect excuse to start being frugal. Thank you all for watching, and until the next recipe, please take good care of yourself and those around you.